a drowsy numbness pains my senses, though of hemlock I had drunk, or emptied some dumb opiate to the dregs. 1 minute passed, and Lethe-wards had sunk. 'Tis not through envy of thy happy lot, but being too happy in thine happiness, that thou, light-winged Dryad of the trees, in some melodious plot of beechen green and shadows numberless, singest of summer in full-throated oh, for a draught of vintage that hath been cooled a long age in a deep dull earth, tasting of Flora and the country green, dance and Provençal song and sunburnt mirth. Oh, for a beaker full of the warm south, full of the truth, the blushful Hippocrene, whose beaded bubbles are winking at the brim, and purple-stained mouth, that I might drink and leave the world unseen, and with thee fade away into the forest dim. Fade far away, dissolve and quite forget what thou among the leaves hast never known, the weariness, the fever, and the regret. Here where men sit and hear each other groan, where rosy shapes of his last rays. Away, away, for I will fly to thee, not charioted by Bacchus and his parts, but on the viewless wings of drowsy, though the dull brain perplexes and retards. Already with thee tender is the night, and happily the queen moon is on her throne, clustered around by all her starry face, but here there is no light, save what from heaven